This was a really timely interview and podcast and conversation that we had, because it was all about leading a people-first organisation and how to sustain high-performance teams without burnout. You know, as I'm mid-40s now. In the past, I've definitely worked, burnt out, crashed, and then had to get back to, and then kind of had to build myself back up to a level of performance.
The businesses that really stand out to me as being successful businesses are ones that communicate well. We often think of communication as sort of top down, bottom up, but actually there's the extra dimension of end to end, where individuals within the company, they understand the value they create from their position, because they know how that fits from a top-down approach. It's a really volatile time, as we all know. It's a challenging time. There's definitely going to be questions around sort of resilience coming up for businesses, for supply chains. I would say if you are going to do one thing differently that makes your company different to other people, I'd go and talk to your staff. I'd listen to your staff. One of the apprentices came to me and said, I'm so excited. I've got this apprenticeship. I'm really proud of myself. Been here 3 months. Nobody's given me a toolkit.
Good culture and focusing on the people within your team is an output of you building that good culture. So I thought that was a really interesting thing to frame things. This was a really wide-ranging conversation where we explored lots of things about culture, success, sustainability. I really enjoyed discussing it with Kate. I hope you enjoyed listening to it as well. Let's get straight into it now. Catch the full episode this Tuesday on YouTube, Apple Podcasts and Spotify. See you then.